Hi there, my name is Matt and I'm on the team here at MemberMouse, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can design a fully functional sales page with MemberMouse and Elementor. There's so many pages that are going to be involved with your website and with your membership site or your online course program, and the sales page is definitely going to be one of the most important ones. You may remember I recorded a training a few months ago about how to use MemberMouse in conjunction with Elementor to maximize the functionality of both. And we got a lot of great responses to that video, and a few of them had to do with how some of these principles could be applied to a sales page. So I thought I'd record a separate video for you about how you can combine the power of MemberMouse and Elementor to build a fully functional sales page for your membership site, online course, or group coaching program. I'm not going to cover all of the same design principles that I did in that first video because you don't want to sit here and watch me fiddle around with Elementor and spacing and all of that. But if you do have questions about some of the more specific things that you can do with Elementor and MemberMouse and how to style checkout pages and your core pages and my account page, things like that, you can refer back to that video. I'll put the link for it in the blog post for this one, and there you have all the answers. So without further ado, let's get to this, and I'll show you how you can build a sales page for your membership site. All right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design what might be the most important page on your membership site or online course site, and that is your sales page. And the way we're going to be doing this is we're going to be using MemberMouse and Elementor to do this, and I'm going to show you how you can build a fully functional sales page that sells multiple membership levels or membership tiers or course options or coaching packages or anything like that. Again, we're not going to cover all of the design principles in here. There's a whole separate video for that I recorded that shows you how to combine the power of MemberMouse and Elementor. And this one, we're really going to focus on the functionality of creating these membership levels and getting them plugged into the right places here on the sales page. But if you do want more of a tutorial about how you can customize the entire look and feel of your site while maintaining all of the functionality of MemberMouse, I'll link to that training in this blog post, and you can check it out there. So this is just a very basic sales page template that I created for this example. It's pretty simple. It's not the be-all, end-all sales page, but it serves our purposes of showing how you can do this for your own business and for your own site. Basically, this is just an overview of it. We have kind of the headline hero section here, the first call to action button, like a features overview, testimonials, and then where people can go to select the right tier or option for them. And then kind of like a final FAQ section and a final call to action button down there. And since we're going to be linking to different products from here, I thought it would be cool to show you how to use anchor links in Elementor, where you have all the call to action buttons bring you down to this section on the page. So I'll be showing you how to do that later on in this video. But for now, let's go into MemberMouse, and I'll show you how to create the different membership levels and products you need for this page and to set this up for yourself. All right, I'll meet you over there. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard and then go into the MemberMouse area. So we're going to go over to the products settings section. And what we're going to do is we're going to create the different products first, and then the membership levels associated with these products that we can then link to here on the sales page. So let's start by creating the beginner product, and this is going to be $9 a month. And what you'll do is just go here and click create product, and we'll call this beginner membership. And then right now we're not going to set an associated access for this. We'll do that later when we create the membership level, which will grant access to all of the content you associate with that membership level. For now, let's just set the price, and this is going to be $9 a month. If you want there to be a trial, this is where you would set that up. You can do a free trial or a paid trial. So for example, a really popular offer that I've seen a lot recently is for people to do a $1 trial for 7 days. If you wanted to do something like that, this is how you could do it. You could also set a free trial, just $0, and this could be done in weeks, months, or years. So if you wanted to do a 1-month trial, it's really just as simple as that. But for this product, we're just going to have it be when someone signs up, they start paying right away and they get access right away. There's no trial. So I'll uncheck that button there. And then we do want this to be a subscription. So we want to bill people $9 a month for their membership. So we'll set the rebill period as 1 month. And we're not going to set a payment plan because this is an ongoing membership that people will be billed for until they cancel their account. It's a digital product, so it doesn't require shipping. If you wanted to add an internal description of this product, you could do that here. So we could just say this is the beginner membership. And then in this example, we're not going to look at the affiliate commission profiles, but if you wanted to set that up, this is where you would do it. I'll also link in the blog post for this video where you can find resources about this. And finally, you can always customize your confirmation message if you want to here, but since this is an example, we're just going to leave it as is. So let's go ahead and save this product. So now what we've done is we've created the product that can then be associated with the membership level, and we'll set things up so that people will be billed $9 every month for this beginner membership. So now let's go into the membership level area and let's create the beginner membership. So we're going to create a membership level. Let's call this beginner membership. It's active. We're not going to set or change the WordPress role. And this is a paid membership. So we'll check paid and then we'll select the beginner membership product. So now this membership level is associated with this product. And we don't want this to expire. And again, if you want to customize the welcome email, you can do so here. We're not going to connect this to any bundles or protected categories at this point. We'll cover that later in this video. So for now, all we need to do is save this membership level. So now that we have this membership level, which is associated with the beginner membership product, what we can do is we can create a purchase link that allows somebody to buy this. So to do that, just click over on this $ icon here in the purchase links area, and we're going to select the beginner membership, and then we get this static link. So what we're going to do is just copy this link, and then we can go in and connect it to this call to action button here on the sales page. Now, one thing I'll show you is that by default, MemberMouse has its own default styled checkout pages, and if we were to just paste in this checkout page, it would display using the styling defined by your theme and just the default settings set up by MemberMouse. But something that's really cool is that you can choose to dynamically override this styling with a checkout page that you design. It can conform to your custom site style. You can customize the complete look and feel of that checkout page. And I've actually done this in the other video, which is linked in this blog post. And so what I'm going to do is, instead of using this default page, I'm going to use the page that we created before. And what's so amazing about this is that you only have to create one page, and by creating these dynamic links, MemberMouse will be able to basically connect that product to the styling of that page, so you're not having to duplicate all of these pages. It's all done automatically and dynamically, so it saves you a lot of time and work and just a lot to keep track of. So this page is called the Elementor checkout, and we can see that now this product is just being displayed through the styling of this page that we've created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, because this is how somebody can sign up for the beginner membership. So what I'll do now is I'll go into the actual page, and I'll begin editing this page with Elementor. So we're going to pull that up, and go down and set the link for this call to action button. So you've got the Join Now button for the beginner membership. So what we'll do is paste the link in here, and we can set this to open up in a new window, which is great, and then update this. So once it's updated, you can go back over to the actual page here, and I'm just going to refresh. And now, when somebody clicks Join Now and they want to sign up for the beginner membership, that will bring them over to the checkout page for the beginning membership, and they can sign up and pay for it here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to essentially go through this process again for the intermediate membership and the advanced membership, and I'll show you something cool that you can do when you set up these products. I won't make you sit and watch me do that though, because it's just the same process of what I went through before. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to press pause. I'll meet you back here, and we'll get everything connected, and I'll show you those settings. Okay, so you can now see that I've created both the intermediate and advanced products here, as well as the membership levels that they're connected to. So we have the intermediate membership and the advanced membership. And one thing I wanted to show you was that when you set up membership levels, you can also set them up to give somebody who buys them access to a bundle. So for example, with the advanced membership, I already had this bundle created, which was the advanced course. And so as part of your offer, if you're able to do this with your business and you can create this, one of the things that you can do to make a particular membership level, like an advanced membership, more attractive is to bundle in additional courses or bonuses. And this can be a really easy way to do it. And so the way you set this up is just when you go to create the membership level, connect it to the product, and then down here at the bottom, you also just select any bundle that you want associated with it. That way, when somebody signs up for this, as long as their membership is active, they will have access to this bundle as well. So we're going to save this and then go through the same process we did before, where we copy over the purchase links and bring them over into Elementor. So let me do that, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, so I've grabbed these links now, and I've actually brought them over into Elementor, so we can see now at the intermediate level, we have this link here, and at the advanced level, same thing. And if we go over to the sales page itself now, we can see that anybody who visits this page, they can choose to join any one of these levels, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, by clicking any one of these buttons. So we have the beginner membership for $9 a month, we have the intermediate membership for $49 a month, and the advanced membership for $99 a month. And so this is a really easy and simple way for you to create a fully functional sales page for your membership site or online course or group coaching program, and be able to sell multiple tiers or multiple products or offers on the same page. The last thing that I wanted to show you is that since we are selling multiple things on a single page, and we have different call to action buttons kind of scattered throughout the page, here saying join today. Because we have these multiple offers, it's not like we can link these buttons to a single checkout page. And so a great feature that Elementor has and a lot of the page builders have is the ability to link to anchors on a page. So when someone clicks any one of these buttons, they'll immediately be brought down to this sign up section, which can just make a really great user experience for people. Same with at the bottom, it'll bring them back up to this. And the way to do this is actually very simple. Elementor has this really cool feature. I'll show you. It's a widget, and it's called the menu anchor. So you can see that I've loaded in this menu anchor widget here in the sign up section. And if we look at the settings, the ID of the menu anchor is join. And for all of these buttons, all you have to do is set the link to basically be join. So hashtag join, #join. Don't know what people are calling that anymore. And if we look at the settings for all these buttons, it's the same for all of them. and they all bring people right to this section. So I thought that was pretty cool. Thought you might want to know about it. And yeah. Okay, so now that we have these membership levels set up, there's just one more thing to keep in mind, and that's that I've shown you how to set up the products, set up the membership levels, and to connect these to checkout pages so that people can buy them. The last thing that needs to happen is for you to actually use these membership levels to protect content. And it's pretty simple. I'll give you just a really quick overview of how that's done. But we have a ton of resources about the way content protection works with MemberMouse, and I will also link to those in this video. Basically, the way this works is that, let's say that you wanted to put all of the content for your advanced membership on a single page or a set of pages. What you would do is you would add a new page here in WordPress, and let's just call this Advanced Membership Content. Then over here in the access rights section, we're going to grant access to this page based on the membership level. So we're granting access by membership level and grant access to people who have the following membership level, and we're going to select advanced membership. And this is connected to our drip content features. For this example, we're just going to grant access on day 0 so that when somebody signs up, they get immediate access to this page. However, if you wanted to create a more sophisticated or advanced content release program, you could choose to make this content available on day 2 or 3 or 30 or 60, anything that you want. So we're going to grant access, and now only people who are logged in with the advanced membership level will be able to see the content on this page. And again, I will definitely include more information about this and how you can handle all of this in the blog post. And if you have any questions about this, please feel free to leave a comment, and I'd be happy to get back to you. So that's basically it. I hope that this has been helpful for you. I hope that you now have a better sense of how you can create a sales page, design it, get it to look the way that you want. Make sure that all the styling that's connected to the MemberMouse elements conforms to your branding and your theme, as well as selling multiple tiers, multiple plans or courses on a single page. Again, if you have any questions about this or want to see a deeper explanation of any of it, just leave a comment on this post and I'd be happy to respond to you and even record you another quick Loom. So we're here to help. And I hope that you can use this information to design a really awesome sales page for your membership. All right, thank you so much, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.